To buy an ETF on TD Ameritrade, start by logging into your account on the TD Ameritrade website or mobile app. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one and fund it before you can begin trading. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Trade tab and select the ETF you want to buy by entering its ticker symbol or name. In the search bar, you can browse through the available ETFs by category or sector, or use the screening tool to find the one that best fits your investment goals. When you find the ETF you want to buy, click on it to view its details, including its current price, trading volume, and performance charts. Next, decide how many shares of the ETF you want to buy and select the order type. You can choose from a variety of order types, including market orders, limit orders, and stop orders. A market order will execute the trade at the current market price, while a limit order will execute the trade at a specific price you set. Enter the number of shares you want to buy and review your order to make sure everything is correct. You can also set a stop loss or take profit order to automatically sell your ETF if it reaches a certain price. When you are ready, click the Submit button to execute the trade. Your order will be filled immediately if you are using a market order, or when the ETF reaches the price you specified if you are using a limit order. You can monitor the status of your order and view your trade history in the account dashboard. It is also important to keep in mind that buying an ETF on TD Ameritrade will typically involve some fees, including a trading commission and any applicable regulatory fees. The trading commission is usually a flat fee per trade, and regulatory fees are typically a small percentage of the trade value. To get the most out of your ETF trading experience on TD Ameritrade, it is a good idea to educate yourself on the different types of ETFs available, including index ETFs, sector ETFs, and commodity ETFs. You should also have a clear understanding of your investment goals and risk tolerance before making any trades. Additionally, consider setting a budget and sticking to it, and avoid over-trading, as this can increase your costs and reduce your returns. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully buy and trade ETFs on TD Ameritrade and achieve your investment objectives.